welcome back to the channel. We're gonna eat at Aunt Granny's here during the Christmas season. Want to show you guys because they do have a few festive options that they offer during Christmas. A couple different another different entree, a different side dish, and a special dessert. So we want to go in here at Aunt Granny's at Dollywood and check out and see how the food is. Alright, so as usual at the Aunt Granny's restaurant, we've got the main dishes, side dishes, and dessert. Okay. The main dishes, they do have some Christmassy options. So they've got the turkey breast, which is the main dish for Christmas. Then they have the sweet potato casserole, and they also have a bread pudding that's Christmassy. So we are going to try the Christmas options, and then, you know, of course, a couple other options that they give you to go with them.
Right there, it was already like that. You don't like it?
Alright, so we've got the fried chicken, the pot roast, and some potatoes and carrots with that. And then we got, oh no, I'm sorry, that's actually the turkey right there, oven roasted turkey. Then we've got green beans, the sweet potato casserole, the mashed potatoes, and the macaroni. The sweet potato casserole and the turkey are both holiday options that they have here for Christmas. So we're gonna dig in. And here's the dessert. I did get the bread pudding, which actually looks pretty good. I'm not the biggest bread pudding fan, but we're gonna try it. So that was Aunt Granny's at Christmas. They did have the turkey was really good. It was not too dry, which I tend to find turkey does tend to be a little bit dry at times. It was kind of crispy on the outside, but it was moist enough with the meat on the inside that it was actually really good. The sweet potato casserole was also pretty good. It wasn't too terribly sweet. And then the bread pudding, I'm not the biggest fan of bread pudding, but it tasted almost like they used the cinnamon bread for it. I'm not sure if they did, but it wasn't too like soggy, which is why I don't normally like bread pudding. So it was actually a really good bread pudding. So definitely if you get a chance to stop by here during Christmas to eat, check out what they've got for their seasonal menu. I liked it. I thought it was really good this time. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go check out our other content. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching.